friends, it's Mrs. McCoy. Welcome back to another week of Library at Home. I hope you guys are all doing awesome. I miss you so much, and I'm so glad we get to come together every week for a story, even though we have to be apart for a little bit. Our story this week is one of my favorites. I'll show it to you. It's called Quick as a Cricket by Audrey Wood. And this story was special to me when I was in first grade because this was the story that I always read to my little sister. Maybe if you have a little brother or sister at home, maybe you can watch this video together and it would be like you're reading the book. Or if you have an older brother or sister, maybe they'll watch it with you. And if you don't have a brother or sister at home, maybe you can share the story with a pet or with a stuffed animal or with your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa, anyone who you want to share a story with. This is called Quick as a Cricket. And one special thing about this book is that it's full of comparisons where you say one thing is like another thing, quick as a cricket. Those special kinds of comparisons are called similes. Can you say that with me? Similes. And similes you're going to learn more about in second grade and third grade. But for now, you can know it's a cool way to compare two different things, to say that they are alike. Let's read it together. Here's our title page. It's got a little cricket right there. That's what a cricket looks like. I sometimes hear crickets. I hear them making their little chirp sounds, but you don't see them very often. I think it was a long time before I knew what a cricket looked like. I'm as quick as a cricket. So this little boy is saying he's as quick as a cricket. They can jump fast. I'm as slow as a snail. I'm as cold as a toad. Does that toad look cold? Maybe that water's cold. Maybe it's winter time. I'm as hot as a fox. Well, it looks like that fox has been running away from the horses. And maybe it's a summer day. Maybe it's very hot outside. I'm as weak as a kitten. Gentle little kitten. I'm as strong as an ox. I'm as loud as a lion. I'm as quiet as a clam. Clams are quiet. They don't say anything. What do you notice about these two pages? Loud and quiet. Yeah, they're opposites. I'm as tough as a rhino. I'm as gentle as a lamb. I'm as brave as a tiger. I'm as shy as a shrimp. Do you think shrimp are shy? I guess they are. It looks like it's hiding in a shell. I'm as happy as a lark. A lark is this little bird. Maybe you've seen a lark around your house before. I'm as nice as a bunny. I'm as mean as a shark. Is that opposites again? Nice and mean? I'm as tame as a poodle. Look at that poodle having a tea party. I'm as wild as a chimp. Look at all those chimpanzees. Is the boy there? Do you see him? It's kind of like I Spy. Who sees the little boy? I see him. Do you have sharp eyes? Can you spot him? I'll show you. He's right there. Did you find him before I showed him? I'm as lazy as a lizard. I'm as small as an ant. I'm as large as a whale. Look, they're so much bigger than the boat. They're huge. I'm as sad as a basset. A basset hound is a kind of dog, and it's got sort of a droopy face, so it looks sad even if it's really happy. I'm as busy as a bee. He's busy in the garden, and the bees are busy pollinating the flowers, getting nectar for their hive to make what? What do bees make? Honey, you're right. Put it all together. What a cool room. He's got all pictures of those animals. And you've got me. That was quick as a cricket. I like how that little boy compared himself to all different animals, and sometimes it was opposites. Sometimes we might feel very brave, and sometimes we might feel really shy. We're still the same person, we just have those two different feelings. Sometimes we're in the mood to be loud, and sometimes we're feeling a little bit more quiet. We can have those two things in the same person. You don't have to be just one way all the time. So that little boy found different ways to express himself through all those different animals. Pretty cool. And I like those pretty illustrations too. They had lots of detail, and you could really tell how the little boy felt and what the animals were doing. That's why that's been one of my favorite books for a very long time, since I was a first grader. Now, there's going to be in the description of this video or attached to it in your Google Classroom, there's going to be a worksheet that goes with it where you're going to get to make up your own similes. Remember, similes were those comparisons where the little boy said he's like this kind of animal in a certain way, where he said he's fast as a cheetah or slow as a snail. There's going to be a sheet attached to this where you can make up your very own similes about yourself. So maybe you're feeling tired today and you're going to say, you are as lazy as a sloth. Or maybe you're feeling super hyper and excited today, and you're going to say, I am as excited as a kangaroo, because you're jumping up and down all over the place. You decide. You decide what similes, what comparisons you want to make about yourself. All right, my friends, I miss you so much. I hope you're doing awesome at home, and I can't wait till we get to see each other again. Until then, I will see you next time for more Library at Home. Bye, friends. I miss you.